Hi everyone, welcome back to Beth's Best Hair. I hope you all had a great 4th of July, and I just wanted to share a couple clearance wigs with you. I picked these up at Paula Young. The first one that I'm wearing is Maisie. She was on clearance and unfortunately she's no longer available, so I didn't want to spend too much time on her, but I just wanted to share it with you. The color is Tuscany Toast 1026 number 6. She's a basic cap construction, and she's got just a little bit of permatease, kind of just a razor bob with a little razor bang. So I'm going to show you another style as well, but I also wanted to show you this jewelry that I'm wearing tonight, and it is a set from Paparazzi Jewelry, $5. All of their jewelry is lead and nickel free, and this was gifted to me by the Corseted Jewel Lady. So you can check her out on Instagram, on Facebook, and she does Facebook Lives on Wednesdays and Saturdays at 8 o'clock Central Time. So you can purchase this pretty jewelry. And she sent me a couple other pieces that I can show you as well. So if you guys want to see how I put Maisie together, I will include the little video clip here.
Alright, so here's Maisie, and we're going to do a 360 spin so you can see her length. She's kind of a nice shoulder length, maybe just below style. I'm going to mess her up there, spritzing with some water, trying to activate permatease, adding a little bit of dry shampoo. Maisie has a pretty generous cap. It was quite large on me actually. She's an easy ear tuck. And for me, I needed a little more permatease, so I'm adding a little bit of extra in there. I like my hair big, but she's a really easy style.
This one is Lilith. Lilith is in the color 18, which is light ash brown. So let's take her out of the box and check it out. They always look a little bit longer on the models than they do on me. I wear an average cap, but they just, maybe it's my cheeks. Alright, so basic cap, basic front, open wefted construction, open little ear tabs, extended nape, stretchy. And I believe that Lilith is a whisper light. Just for a price comparison, I paid $29.99 on final clearance for Maisie, and I paid $39.99 for Lilith. So this is, the Tuscany Toast is basically the same number as buttered toast. I don't know why they have two different names for the same color code. But this one is 18, so that's just your light ash brown. So you can kind of see the color comparison between the two. And we'll go ahead and we'll get busy putting on Lilith. Alright, so Lilith, fresh out of the box. And I'm just going to put the catalog picture here so we can compare. Alright, let's do a 360. There is some permatease. You can kind of see the part here. I can feel a little bit in there. And I'll include their description here with the overview and with all of the lengths. And I believe that they called it a modern shag. You know me and those shagadelic wigs. But she's cute. So let's go ahead and let's mess her up.
So I'm going to give her a spritz with water, and then get in there with my fingers and activate that permatease. Mess them up. I'm adding a little bit of dry shampoo, combing it into the style that I want. I also wanted to note that she has a monofilament top, so you can part it in any direction and it looks natural. That is a medium brown root spray by L'Oreal. I'm also spraying my sides of my bio hair to blend with the wig. And just a little more dry shampoo there. And I'm adding some Peace Out cream here to kind of pull out those layers and make it a little bit spikier so it's a little more fun and flirty. Now I'm just using my Pantene hairspray to kind of spray that style into place. She is going to be really cute, you guys. The bangs are just a little bit long, so I'm just working on training those over. But what do you think?
All right, so what do you guys think about Lilith? She's really cute. Modern shag for sure. So if you noticed what I did in there, in the little speed up video, I used my medium brown root spray, spraying my bio hair, spraying just a little bit in sections, not over the top. I did use a little bit of the wax. I just get that at Walmart. It's just the Axe, but you could use any brand. And I just used that to kind of like a Peace Out cream, basically, to kind of spike out those little layered ends a little bit. My Pantene alcohol-free hairspray. And I think she's a cute style. How fun is that for summer? Very cute. Her bangs are a little bit long, but they're not obnoxiously in my eyes. So I may trim just a little fringe, but I may just try to train them, which sometimes I'll just kind of take my comb and maybe a little bit of that wax or hairspray and just kind of go like that and get it to stay. So I think that will be fine. She has a good amount of permatease in the whole top section. It's not an obnoxious amount of permatease, and she would be a great style to pick up for summer when you want to wear shorter styles. For me, for my workday, I typically wear the little bit mid-length, but on the weekends, I like to wear other styles so that I'm not messing up my workday hair on the weekends. And I do think that she has enough length that you could still do a couple things. As far as ear tucking, she's super easy, looks natural. I think you could even probably take the whole, if you have bio hair like I do, I don't have much, but you spray that root spray and it really blends nicely. So I think that works. I think that's really cute. Gosh, this is gonna be really nice and easy, running errands, going to the grocery store, even sitting around the campfire. You know, you didn't have to break the bank and spend a ton of money, and you still look, your hair looks great. So you can't go wrong. I mean, you could still do a little bit of a headband with her, and that's cute. Cute with the headband, huh? I like that. Let's see if I have another, a wider headband. Let's try a wider one. Oh, that's cute too. Or if you were doing the beach day, I have just like my little Mary Ann headband. So cute. She would be a good one for the beach. We just were at the beach yesterday with my grandson, so yeah, she would be a cute one. Just a good length. And again, you didn't spend a ton of money, so you're not going to be, of course you want to keep it nice, but you're not going to be as worried about it. Let's try a little clip and just see what we could clip up. Do a little clippy. I need to organize these. I think that you could do a lot of cute things with her. Get kind of funky, let your creativity flow, because she's got a lot of cute layers. She has enough length to be able to do a little something. We could do our half up. I mean, honestly, I could wear her to work. She would actually be a nice length for work. So I think, I mean, people would think I cut my hair, but that's okay. Let's just look at her from, I mean, that's cute. Yeah, she has cute styling options. Even being a shorter style, I think. So, you guys, if you get on there, you can still get Lilith. So, why is Lilith hard for me to say? Frasier's ex-wife, right? Except as I remember, she just had the slick back ponytail bun, and she was very serious, Frasier. I'm not liking that, Frasier. All right. Cute, fun style for summer. Paula Young clearance. You know, I love clearance hair. I just think it's fun to be able to try new styles, to try new lengths, to try new colors. Maybe something that you haven't done before. One of these days, you guys, I'm going to pull a red one out. And don't forget about this cute Paparazzi Jewelry. How nice was that of Linda to send that to me? So check her out, Corseted Jewel Lady, and Paula Young clearance. This is really cute hair. It feels really nice. I'm sorry that Maisie was no longer available. I feel bad. I was waiting for her to come, and when she finally arrived, I went on to see if she was still available, because I hate to do a review for you if the hair is no longer available. And unfortunately, she just sold like hotcakes. And maybe it was because she was already a rooted color. That may have been. I know a lot of people like that. But really and truthfully, if you add your own little root spray, I don't think you have to have a rooted color. And then you can really control how the rooting looks, which is kind of nice. So, all right, well, thanks again, everyone. I'm so happy that you're all here with me. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you like the color. I know it's not my typical honey. Again, that was color number 18. Let me know how you like the styles. And of course, you know I have more in store for you. So stay with me. I totally appreciate it. I love you guys. I love all of your comments. And I love to hear from you. Don't forget that you can send me an email too. I'll put my email right up top. So you can email me if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer. I'm here to help because we're all in this journey together. All right, thanks again for staying with me. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
After I was done, I thought it might be fun to try Lilith in an updo. So I decided to keep the camera rolling while I did this. And I'm just twisting the hair up and using 2 clips on the sides and then twisting up the back and adding a clip to the back. Now I'm pulling down the sides a little bit and fluffing that up at the top, and then just kind of pull out the bottom, just slightly tug on it so that it all looks natural. so I think I could wear her to work in an updo. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you real soon.